Hello, I'm Sindel Kumaria from Bangalore. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to make a skeleton out of a leaf. Okay, basically people tree leaves are often used for painting. Okay, you can even see old scriptures and all, paintings have been done. Let me go ahead with a brief history. The history is very simple. This is originated in Kerala, India. Okay, and the main cause which I'm trying to show you is people actually like people tree leaf paintings. So let me go ahead with the basic one. Okay, and in other videos and all I'll be giving you step by step how to make paintings also. I'll give you different kind of steps, as well as I can even give you tips to how to make it. It'll be easy for you, even kids can make it. Okay, basic thing is you require a people tree leaf. Okay, better go ahead with a healthier leaf, not with the tender ones. Okay, these are useless. It's better that you go ahead with the broad one, and it should be very thick. Okay, so it's advised, in case if you're making a bigger paintings, go ahead with the bigger leaves. Okay, so once you are into it, so later on what you have to do is you have to put all these leaves into a jar of water, or a basin of water. Okay, so that what happens is after 30 days this would become just like this. Okay, I'll say you how. I used to have a pot, okay, wherein I used to pour it with water, and I used to put all the leaves. Think about 20 to 25 leaves I used to put it. So after 15th day, I used to cover it also. I used to cover the jar with flower pot, because of mosquitoes. It's very dangerous. Okay, and so later on what happens is after 15 days you keep on cleaning it with a brush. A toothbrush should do it well. A waste one. Please don't use original, which you are using or somebody is using. Okay, and it will stink a little bit, I agree, but please do wear gloves and do this. Once you are brushing it out, it will look something good like this. After 15 days, do not forget to clean the water. You have to keep on cleaning the water off it. Okay, once you're done with it, what will happen is this will be very neat. You have to keep on often rubbing it. Once you're cleaned with brush, again put it in water, fresh water, so that it can decay again. So every 3 days you keep on taking it, keep on doing it. In case if you're leaving it for 30 days continuously, and later you wanted to actually go ahead and wash it, this would look something like this. You still have the dirty part, which this stain doesn't go. Best advice is keep on cleaning, keep on washing the vessel also, and avoid it stinking. Better use a mask and gloves while doing this. In my next video I'll show you how to paint on it. I'll definitely giving you a different kind of tips and how to use it. Okay, stay tuned and do subscribe and like it for sure.